Hello everyone, it's me again. I'm so excited to share with you my new gift I just received today. Let's unbox it together. Wow, an electric toothbrush from Oral-B. Let's see what is in here. It says artificial intelligence recognizes your brushing for your best results every day, which means if you don't brush well, it shows that you didn't do a good job. It has 2-minute timer, gum pressure control, which means if we press too hard, the electric toothbrush shows you that you are pressing too hard. So smart coating, more than 2 weeks battery life, and 6 cleaning modes. That's amazing. Wow, it has Bluetooth. I can connect that to my phone and see what I'm doing. So good, I'm so glad to have that. It comes with a handle, smart travel case, 1 brush head, and the charger. Okay, then let's open it.
Miss Roxana.
Yes?
Your patient just arrived.
Okay. Sorry guys, my patient arrived. I'm gonna take care of my patient and we'll be back soon. Okay. Sorry guys, let's continue what we started. Wow, let's do it again. Okay, wow, I can't wait to open this box. Wow, look at that case. It's so nice. Wow, even the charger can be plugged here. This is the electric one. This is the electric toothbrush. Yeah. Wow, different modes. This is it. That's the 1, 2, 3, 5. It goes here. When we want to charge it, it goes there then. No? Where is it going? This is the head. Let's open this one. It. Wow, it's very easy to hold it. It's very nice, very light actually. Here we can put it there and then plug that to the wall. Normal charger with the stand. Okay, the toothbrush can stand on top of this and then be charged like this. Okay, that's great guys, look at that. This is an excellent product to brush with, and as I'll always recommend, electric toothbrush is better than manual, so it's easy to hold. For people that they have limited ability, it helps them. For kids, it's fun. Wow, I forgot about this too. This is so cool. We can just put this here and goes inside. It's a very nice stand. It's gonna be sitting here, stable, and the toothbrush goes on top of it. And this one, it's for my phone. Wow, look at that. But don't forget, you have to download the app, the Oral-B app, and follow the instructions. It's gonna show you where you brush, which part of your mouth are you brushing, if you are pushing too hard. It's a really cool app. And the quality of this, it's so nice. I like the colors, nice, white, clean, very good. Always remember, electric toothbrush gives you signal after 30 seconds, which means you need to switch from one side to the other, which with the app, you're gonna see that. When you hear the beep, you can just switch to the other side and brush all your teeth equally, and the whole mouth will be clean and nice after 2 minutes. So that was my unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. So see you next time.